Hey guys, it's Sam from Tentworld Ferntree Gully, and today I've got the Darche Go Go Chair to show you. This chair is lightweight, compact, and a perfect addition to any adventure. So the Darche Go Go Chair features this central hub, which everything folds out from. So all you really got to do is unfold all those legs, extend the telescopic arms, like so, and away you go. And it also features this handy quick release button. So all you got to do is press that, fold that back in over itself, and there you go. All done, so easy. So the first thing that really strikes me about this chair is actually just how comfortable it is. I'm 6'4", I'm quite tall, but I fit in it quite nicely, and getting in and out is super easy, even though it's quite a low down chair. So yeah, really handy, very comfortable little chair. Perfect for saving a bit of space in your four-wheel drive or in your car. So for a compact chair like this, it's really nice to see a little feature like a storage pocket that Darche have included on the side there for your little personal belongings. Not only that, they include a very handy little carry bag with a shoulder strap, so you can take it wherever your next adventure takes you. So the chair itself is made out of a nice heavy-duty 900 denier polyester fabric. And then you get given a 160 denier mesh on the sides there, which helps keep the weight down a little bit and provides a little bit of ventilation on those hotter days. The frame itself is made out of aluminium, and it only weighs 1.8 kilos, but it has a 150 kilo weight rating, which is really impressive for a chair of this size and weight. So there you go guys, another great product from the guys at Darche. And if you'd like to come pick one of these up for yourself, come visit us in store or head online. And as always, happy camping.